This sign-up procedure was created as an easy way for teachers to sign students in and out of the bathroom passes. We were having a major issue with students signing out multiple times during the day and us not being able to keep track of how many times they've been out and how long they've been out. So this was created using a simple Google form, QR codes, and a Google Sheet. So I just created the Google form first and turned that into some links here on a Google Sheet. So each student has their own web address for the form, and each student also has a QR code, one for signing out to the bathroom and another code for signing back into the bathroom. So if a student has to use the restroom, they will simply bring their assignment book or their code to the teacher, and the teacher will scan using their cell phone. The student will then use the restroom, and when they come back in, they will get scanned back in on their in code. And all this is kept track of on a Google Sheet, which makes it nice for students and teachers to see how many times students have been in and out of the bathroom. So if the student, let's just say student 1 signs out to the bathroom, they'll scan the QR code. And on our Google Sheet here, it will pop up that student 1 signed out on April 27th at 12:43. And when that student comes back in, the teacher will then scan their QR code. Again, and now that student will be marked back in as returning from the bathroom. Another added feature I built in here was students in our school are allowed to use the restroom 2 times during the school day during class time. So when a student signs out for the second time during that day, using their code, their name will turn yellow. So teachers can now see, oh, you've signed out twice today. And if that student attempts to sign out for a third time during that school day, sign it back in here. If that student attempts to sign out for a third time that day, their name will actually turn red on the spreadsheet, and the teacher will know that they've already used their 2 allotted bathroom passes per day. The nice part about this also is it keeps track of all the data for the sign-ins and sign-outs, so students can see exactly how many times they've signed in and signed out to the bathroom throughout the school year. You can use this information for parent conferences and data meetings about students, and it provides a wealth of information on how often students are signing in and out of the classroom.